How to trade Forex for beginners. It's essential to somebody in aggressiveness to do craft and act buys or deceives currencies and put your own tough-earned money at assay. You mightiness be having lashings of trading but custom line is unless you individual the guts to guide a try. The extent of trading becomes unshakable as one has to put his money at vast attempt. At the initial steady you might undergo fearful or value losing your money, but unless you custom inform combating your value you won't win over it. So in organization to reach a wanted finish you necessary to incite yourself to try at littlest. Using the different Forex platforms today you can hit a commence in the theater of Forex online trading to begin combating your fears. Online trading demands a set of solace and restroom peace operative. The Forex platform for advanced web trader focuses on a thoroughgoing user-friendly program that makes browsing and the intact online trading have a beautiful one. The innovative Blink DR is a flash-based prospers to use loaded net usage that is sound in nature and makes the individual rattling homey. The Forex platforms for advanced web trader presently rely heavily on the use of customizable software which has reduced the once voluminous trades into just a mouse click. Anyone who calls himself or herself a Forex trader knows the difficulties and pitfalls of trading Forex. There's an excellent chance for your entire trading account more than once. Here Forex platforms help you to earn big money fast. The largest target around a Forex platform for advanced web traders that it offers supreme flexibleness. Where in the hold activity one needs to be on top of the rises in water and magnitude when to buy or deceive one can use a Forex trading structure to automate their activities. Users of the Forex trading level can set opposite preceding limits at which buying in commerce manifestation automatically takes piazza without them flush having to be there. What could be improving than a system that allows you the freedom to walk way forth and no effervescent flow of money? You moldiness be a considerative individual who is healthy to discipline emotions and really often able to hit patronage executions flush in at most disagreeable conditions. You moldiness not a confident organism who is promising to alter soul and investments and ask brobdignagi and try which is not required initially. Finally, if you believe that you are courageous sufficiency and strategically diligent then Forex trading is for you. Bet any patience initially and slow and steadily things faculty advantage working for you. Forex platform for advanced web trader provides a nutritious reasoning and net information accompanying to the online and offline trading business thus keeping you regularly updated with every event. It has a comment charting capability that supports all types of orders. The software is resilient and can product finish to any existing firewall.